Okay, welcome back, guys. It's Thomas the Builder, and I'm come to talk about the sound sensor. Okay, so the sound sensor is basically like the photosensor. The only difference is that it senses sound instead of light. So we are going to do two demonstrations. The first one will be the sound sensor measuring the sound in the room, and then you look at the readings through the serial monitor. And the second one will be the sound sensor with the LED. So our LED will be notifying us. So I'll clap or I'll make a sound to see if the LED will light up. Okay, so this is our setup. So this is the sound sensor we have from the Arduino board, from the Arduino kit, sorry. Okay, so what are we supposed to do here? We are supposed to put pin A0 on J30, okay, in that order. So let's look at the sound sensor. Okay, we've seen pin A0, the leftmost pin, right? The leftmost pin. Okay, so now let's put it on J30. Okay, so now we have to fix our 4 jumper wires to match it, basically the same as the photosensor. So let's fix the first one. We are fixing it on F30, right? So let's fix the first one. Okay, fix the second one. Third one. Let's fix the last one for GND, right? Okay. Okay, so right now what do we have? We have the blue jumper wire for GND, so let's not forget that. So right now let's put the first one as pin A0, because that's what we did for pin A0. That's the one we chose for A0. So I fixed it, as you can see. Now the blue one is for GND, so let's fix the blue one on GND. Any of the GND pins on the Arduino Uno. Where are the GND pins? Okay, okay. Now let's fix the white jumper wire to digital pin 7. Okay, so digital pin 7. Now let's put the last one at 5 volts. Okay, let's connect. Okay, I think we made a mistake. I think the red rather is supposed to go to digital pin 7. So let's correct that. And let's connect the white to 5 volts. Okay, now we can see a sound sensor is on now. Now let's look at the code. This is the code for the sound sensor. Let's verify. Okay, so now let's check the serial monitor, see what we have. So these are our readings right now. So if I let's see. As you can see, it's increasing a bit. Okay, if you can see that it sends my snapping, the snapping of my finger for a moment. You could see that it read 31 for a moment. Let's see if we can get it again. Okay, we got 23. Okay. And now we are come to look at pairing it up with the LED. So obviously we need to set up an LED on the breadboard. And since we have an LED with a positive and negative terminal, we need 2 additional jumper wires. So let's get to that. Okay, so let's fix it. Okay, so now let's put the positive one to digital pin 8, right? Okay, and then negative to GND. Okay, is your GND. So now we are done with the hardware connection. Let's look at the code. Okay, so now this is a code for the sound sensor of the LED. Okay, so it appears we are getting an error. So let's see where we went wrong. Okay, so I fixed the problem. I think the problem was the syntax, right? The if and else arrangement. It was supposed to be it wasn't a proper indentation at first, but I fixed it now. Now as you can see, it's detecting sound. That's why the LED is on. Okay. So okay, thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for the last video, that is the servo motor. So we'll be in touch.